welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, then welcome. My name is Jess and I have a new name. I was Jessica Makeup before and now I'm Jess Ellie, so welcome. I haven't made a video in 2 months, 2.5, 3 months. I don't know. I'm so sorry. I am so excited to be back. And I thought I'd just bring you a current favorites video because that is like the easiest way that I know how to like integrate this back into my life because I want to be making regular content again. So if you would like to see all the things that I've been loving in my absence here, then please keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free makeup, lifestyle, mental health YouTuber, and I love talking about all of those things. So if you do as well, then you should probably subscribe to my channel because that's what I'm going to bring you. Yeah, in my absence, I have gotten married. That happened in late October. I went a little bit blonder through my hair. Let's get back to business. I'm gonna start with hair. Since I went blonder, I've been really loving toning my hair a lot more. Brassy hair is not super desirable, and I've been loving the Pravana, the Perfect Blonde Purple Toning Mask. What I really love about this mask is that it really doesn't like dye your hair. So I've left this on for like an hour before and I totally forgot about it, and my hair still didn't go like a purpley color, which I feel like when I've made my own like conditioner, hair dye concoctions to tone my hair myself, I always do kind of dye my hair a little bit by accident, but with this mask I feel like it's nearly impossible to do it. But if you have really super light blonde hair, we'll probably end up with lavender hair, but it's a risk that I always kind of take. But this is really great. It's almost done. You can see it's getting thin, but I really like it, and Pravana is one of those like hair color companies, so I trust her. If you are a longtime follower of my channel, then you will know that I am no stranger to dry shampoo. I do not really wash my hair that often. I wash it maximum twice a week just because I like have a very like itchy dry scalp and I need my own like oil production. I need that to like soothe my sensitive skin, and I have color treated hair, you know, through this part, so I feel like the less I wash my hair, the better. So 1 to 2 times a week, 2 times being like the absolute maximum. And because of that, I found a new dry shampoo that I really like. This is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It's in this gigantic container. I thought this was kind of pricey. I think this is like $26 or $28. I thought this was really pricey, but honestly, like there's so much dry shampoo in here, not even I can get through this quickly. I haven't tried any other IGK products yet. This is the first one that I've tried, but the Charcoal Detox had the most like intense before and after photo. Like this girl had like greasy hair, and my hair doesn't really get greasy too easily. This girl had real gnarly greasy hair, and then the after photo, her hair was like matte and clean looking, and I was like, okay, I will give that a try. So I really like it, and I rate it really highly if you are looking for a new dry shampoo to try. Into some makeup, I am no stranger to dewy skin. I mean, I love dewy skin. And so I've been loving the Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Mist, and it has been keeping my skin juicy. If I have any powder on, this takes down the matteness. Matteness? I'm gonna go with matteness. It's also really great at just adding that luminosity to the skin, so maybe I don't want a ton of like shimmer or glitter on the face. I want to like stay pretty soft and natural. Maybe I've got some texture, maybe I've got some acne scars. This is like beautiful, but it doesn't accentuate pores or texture, so it's a winner in my book. I don't think it necessarily extends the longevity of my makeup, but I don't really care about that because I'm not trying to have like a beat face for 14 hours. You know, if I'm working like a really long day and my makeup starts to break down, I kind of want people to notice. I want people to be like, oh dang, she's been here for too long, let her go home. Like, you know, it's like a smoke signal to those, like, let her leave. So I'm not trying to extend my makeup, honestly. I love looking dewy and luminous, so this is perfect for me and my dry ass skin. Speaking of my dry skin, I also have been loving the Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is I consider this kind of like a face primer, but like liquid illuminator. It's really beautiful. I love wearing it underneath any base product, so even if I'm just wearing concealer, I really love this on my skin. It gives me that like nice, juicy, healthy, moisturized skin, and it makes me look luminous all day long, which I really love. I feel like I'm going away from traditional highlighting where it's like shimmer and glitter, and I just want to look like really luminous and have like that fresh kind of bouncy skin. Saying that I'm going away from traditional highlighting is kind of a lie, because I've been loving the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is in the color Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. I was expecting to love Fire Crystal right here, which is like the more shimmery luminescent one, but Lightning Dust is actually like the unsung hero of this little duo. Fire Crystal is really shimmery and kind of like glittery, which is beautiful like on the inner corner or on the lid, like beautiful for the eyes. But there's something about Lightning Dust that I'm just like, it just melts into the skin. It looks like butter, and I just love it. It's a beautiful color. If you are as spookily, ghostly white as I am, it might be a beautiful color on you. Another makeup product I love is Freck. If you've seen any makeup videos that I've done, you'll notice that sometimes I like to do faux freckles. I feel like this has not been giving me my faux freckles, but I have been really loving filling in my little mole here with it. I mean, you can barely see it. It's like, to the naked eye, it's just like a blackhead on my face. I use Freck every single day to fill in that little mole because I want it to be darker, and it fades away so easily. I'm probably just gonna get it like tattooed, like, you know, makeup tattooed in, because I get sick of filling it in every day. So, leave a comment down below if you have ever done something like that, and if you would recommend it to a friend, me, a friend. So my last two like beauty products are elbow grease. Now, I did a video on Lush elbow grease a while ago, maybe like 9 months ago, and I'll leave a link up in the cards for it because it's such a great balm. So it is like quite oily. I mean, it is just like a room temperature oil in this kind of balm texture. I mean, the first ingredient is coconut oil, but the second is kawasu butter, murumuru butter, and alibe butter. So a lot of like oils and butters in here. It sinks into the skin beautifully. It has a really gorgeous, like, I think it's a ylang-ylang scent. Really beautiful. So I would totally recommend elbow grease, especially in the winter, especially if you're dry, especially if you have tattoos, especially if you have eczema. Like, this is just a beautiful little balm. And my last beauty product is going to be the Glossier Moisturizing Moon Mask. This is really beautiful. It imparts lots of moisture to the skin. I believe this is like my second or third tub of this. I actually am so bad at doing moisturizing masks. I feel like I do cleansing masks when my skin looks like butt, but when my skin is like, you know, just regular and it needs moisture, I don't think to grab this. So I've been doing a new routine where right before I get in the shower, doesn't matter if it's a long shower or a short shower, I smear this on my face, go into the shower, do all of my shower business, and then right at the end I rinse this off. And it makes the biggest difference applying makeup, the biggest difference in improving the like glow level of my skin, and it really helps with like dry or flakiness. So if you haven't tried the Moon Mask, or if you haven't, you know, really fallen in love with it, maybe try it like that, where you kind of like do a forced like time with it on in the shower. I highly, highly recommend it. And then we have two non-beauty favorites that I thought I would include because I have been absolutely loving them in my absence. And the first is a little beret, which is from J. Crew. I'm not a J. Crew fan. I'll start there. I was desperately hunting for a red beret. I wanted it to be wool because I'm tired of finding cheap, garbagey berets that don't hold up or that are too small or too big. This one is perfect. I love it. You might think to yourself, you don't wear color, and the answer is no, I do not wear color, but sometimes I want a hint of color, and this is my hint. So like, just picture me in my like black winter coat and with this little guy on. I really love the way that these look. I have a black beret with embroidery on it from Mary Wyatt London. I love that. I love all of her red berets, but there's something about this like bright cherry red that just like peps up an all black outfit. And usually I don't really have a lip on, so imagine me like really paled out, really quite nude, but then this is like very vibrant. I think it looks gorgeous. Leave a comment down below if you think I look silly or if you think that this is cute. I don't care, I'm gonna wear it, but still let me know what you think. My last favorite is going to be my earrings, and I will bring you in so you can see my earrings. They are from, I'm just gonna climb to the camera. They are from a brand called Majuri, and these are the 14 karat gold little hoops. I think that they're beautiful. They're super duper comfortable for sleeping, showering, just daily life, and quite cozy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment letting me know what you thought of this video, and if you'd like to see any other specific types of videos next. And I'm so happy to be back. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye.